Hello, ma'am and sir. My name is Jen Jacob. I'm 40 years old. I'm married with 3 children, 2 boys and 1 girl. They are 19 years old, 15 years old, and 9 years old. I have one sister. I'm a youngest of family. I have experience. I've been working in Saudi Arabia before for 2 years. I serve one couple and one son. And also, I have experience in Hong Kong for 4 years. I serve one couple and baby born. The second employer in Hong Kong, I serve one couple and one son again. I promise I will do my best because this is my responsibility as a helper. And also, I love my job and I love cooking and I'm willing to learn a lot, and I hope to see you again, and thank you. God bless.